Today's subject is cybersecurity and law. Under Against Organization. Unauthorized access of computers. Denial of service. Virus attack. Email bombing. Salami attack. Logic bomb. Trojan horse. Data diddling. Crimes against organization. Unauthorized access. Generally, it is denoted as hacking. The Indian law has, however, given a different connotation to the term, hacking. So we will not use the unauthorized access interchangeably with the term hacking to prevent misperfection, term used in IT Act 2000 of India. Much wider than hacking. Denial of service attack. Refer the act by which a user of any website or service denied to use the service or website. In cybercrime category, offenders aim the web server of the websites and flow a large number of requests to that server. This causes the use of maximum bandwidth of the website, and website goes slow down or not available for some time. It is a malicious attempt by an attacker to disallow legitimate users access to a server or network resource by overloading it with artificial traffic. In general, a DDoS attack maliciously floods an IP address with thousands of messages through the use of distributed control servers and botnets. Victims of an attack are unable to access systems or network resources to make legitimate requests because of unwanted traffic, draining the network's performance. Next. Virus attack. A computer virus is a type of malware that, when executed, replicates by implanting replicas of itself into another computer programs, data files, or the boot sector of the hard drive. When this reproduction proceeds, affected zones are then said to be infected. Email bombing. An email bomb or mail bomb is a malicious act in which a large number of email messages are sent to a single email address in a short period of time. The purpose of an email bomb is typically to overflow a user's inbox. In some cases, it will also make the mail server unresponsive. Email bombing is often done from a single system in which one user sends hundreds or thousands of messages to another user. In order to send the messages quickly, the email bomber may use a script to automate the process. By sending emails with a script, it is possible to send several thousand messages per minute. Fortunately, most mail servers are capable of detecting email bombs before a large number of messages are sent. For example, if the server detects that more than 10 messages are received from the same email address within 1 minute, it may block the sender's email address or IP address. This simple action will stop the email bomb by rejecting additional emails from the sender. Next, salami attack. It is named after the way scrap meat is used to form salami. It merges seemingly inconsequential bits of data to yield something important. It is attack like missing half cent, missing percentage, taking a bit from a bunch, or charging higher fees. Why do they happen? Sometimes programmers just accept small errors. Code many times it too large to look for salami-type errors. Salami attack is slice off small amount of money from transactions. It is usually an inside job. It is attack used in office space, create a virus, collect fractions of a cent left over from bank transaction calculations, deposit the money in an account. Salami attack, example. The aim is to start eating into enemy land, like giant rodents, and thereby facilitate the slice. The use of this strategy is becoming increasingly apparent along the Himalayan border with India, the world's longest disputed frontier. Next, logic bomb. A logic bomb, sometimes referred to as slag code, is a string of malicious code, used to cause harm to a network when the programmed conditions are met. The term comes from the idea that a logic bomb explodes when it is triggered by a specific event. Events could include a certain date or time, a particular record being deleted from a system, or the launching of an infected software application. Logic bombs are often used with viruses, worms, and Trojan horses to time them to do maximum damage before being noticed. Logic bombs perform actions like corrupting or altering data, reformatting a hard drive, and deleting important files. Trojan horse. A Trojan horse, or Trojan, is a type of malicious code or software that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer system. A Trojan is designed to damage, steal, disrupt, or in general inflict some other harmful action on your data or network. A Trojan acts like a bona fide application or file to trick you. Next, data diddling. Data diddling involves changing data input in a computer. In other words, information is changed from the way it should be entered by a person typing in the data. Usually, a virus that changes data, or a programmer of the database or application has pre-programmed it to be changed. For example, a person entering accounting may change data to show their account, or that, or a friend or family member is paid in full. By changing or failing to enter the information, they are able to steal from the company. In next video, we will discuss about cybercrime against societies. Thanks for watching.